How to transfer account on Project Sekai. For this, go ahead and launch your Project Sekai. So right here in this option, you have to go ahead and select menu. In this displayed option, go ahead and select the option of account transfer right there displayed. In the pop-up dialog box of account transfer, you will find two options, that is to link to Game Center and transfer to different OS. You have to go ahead and tap on transfer to different OS. To move forward the transfer process, you have to enter your account password to verify that is really you. However, if you have forgotten your password, you can go ahead and contact the customer support of Project Sekai. If not, just go ahead and enter your password right here in the dialog box, then tap on enter. On to the next step, you will need a transfer ID. Transfer ID is the player's ID to which you want to transfer your account to. So once you have known the 16 character of the player's ID, just go ahead and enter in the dialog box. Again, in the password section, you have to enter your own password. Then just go ahead and tap on transfer. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to transfer your account to the player's account. Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.